Hi, I'm Rebecca Newman and I'm playing Wendy at the Sherman in Peter Pan.
Why did you audition for this role?
I got the audition through my showcase at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. I've just graduated in the summer and I was performing in the showcase in Cardiff and Roisin, the director, came and saw it and gave me an audition from there.
So how are you finding this as your first professional role?
It's brilliant. It's so great, and it's hard work because it's a big show and there's so much involved in it. There's the music and the set, which is incredible and stuff. So there's a lot to contend with, but it's incredible. And this new version that's been written is beautiful. It's like J.M. Barrie's original, but explosive kind of thing. It's great.
What are you most enjoying about the process so far?
Oh, what am I most enjoying? Honestly, I'm loving working with such a brilliant cast. Everyone is so much fun. We're all having a great time. There's lots of jokes going around and stuff. So, and it's just a pleasure to work with such, incredible professionals. It's great.
Pick one thing out of rehearsal so far. Funny, drama.
Ooh, let me have a think. Funny moments. Okay, so there's a bit where I'm meant to be lying dead underneath a cover, and the boys are just literally doing a tear around chase around the room, and you can't help but laugh. There is no way you can't laugh at them doing this hilarious chase with Smee and Hook and stuff. It's very funny.